guys, welcome back to another video. So for this one, I'm going to replace the OEM headlights with the ones called, I think, the Halogen headlights, one thing, HID LED. So first we gotta remove some like little tabs and bolts. So you got one on the top, you got 3 right here on this fender liner, and you got 2 under the bumper. Once we get that, we already did it, but we're gonna remove the bumper, and then we're gonna start taking screws off the headlights. Alright, so we just finished taking off the bumpers. The headlights are not that hard. Just basically take off a few bolts, I think like 5 of them on each side, and then you gotta get the harnesses off. This is basically plug and play. Just hope it times out like that. So yeah, plug and play. We're gonna put this one on. Once we set them on, we're gonna put the bumper and everything back on. We're gonna get right back to it. Alright guys, so we got one side in, so you kind of see how it looks mounted already. And then we're gonna do a brief little like description as to what you have to transfer from your OEM one to this one. So basically what you have to transfer is, well, you have to take the cap off right here. You have to transfer, there's like a bowl under here. You have to transfer this, I don't know, I guess it's like a battery, I guess you could say. And then this piece right here, you also have to transfer from the OEM one. And that's basically it. Once you transfer all of that, you can set it right up and we'll turn on. And then so we're gonna mount this one, put the bumper on, and we'll see how the final product looks. Alright guys, so this is the final product. Way better. So that's the final product. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.